Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening iMovie and creating a movie project. This gets you right into editing. Tap plus, pick your clips, and think about story order as you import. Once done, drag clips into sequence and use the yellow handles to trim down to the exact in and out points. Make sure to preview after trimming so timing feels natural. Adjust clip order by holding and moving. This is faster than re-importing. Save frequently as you assemble the base timeline. Now refine. Split longer clips where action or dialogue changes, then remove unwanted segments. Tap speed to slow or speed up small sections for effect, and add a transition between clips to smooth flow. For audio, press the audio icon to lower clip volume or detach audio to move music under a different video. Once done, pick a title style and apply a filter if needed. These small details control mood, and finish by tapping Done and hitting Share to export. Choose resolution like 1080p or 4K depending on your needs. Once exported, save to photos or share directly to social apps. Make sure your iPhone has enough storage and battery before large exports. Low space is the most common cause of failure. If export fails, close iMovie, restart your iPhone, and try again. If problems persist, reduce resolution or trim length. Then re-export. This often resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.